Also, this kind of... I don't know if I should share. I don't know if I should share this, but, you know, I went to get a massage. Promise me you're not gonna get weird about it. Promise. But it is kind of weird, I guess. What did they say to you? I know. Well, there's this place where I go and get my massage done, and you know, the girls working there, two of them just kind of asked me, like, oh, you know, your ribbon, is it natural? It's kind of, yeah. And I said, I mean, yeah, yeah, it is. And then they were like, oh, it's kind of big. They said, oh, is really? didn't really think so. Thanks. And then after that lady was gone, another person came in and she said, oh, is it natural? I said, yeah. I just said, yeah, dude. What's wrong? I never thought it was like that big. And then she said, oh, lucky? What do you mean lucky? Stop. Yeah, that was a story. That's it. Where's the punchline? The punchline is nothing. I just thought it was kind of funny. Yeah.
Prissy! This right here is precious. I love this and I will protect it with every fiber of my being. If you